Back in 1991, as a new ham, I bought my first Icom rig. Really, my first handy-talkie altogether. That was the Icom IC-7000, a great little compact handheld, much smaller than anything else on the market at the time, and about the size of the smaller radios today. Really compact, had a lot of great features on it. It was a dual band rig, and I used it to cross-band repeat and talk to all my friends. Great times. But then I didn't have any Icom radios for a number of years. The reason being is our local ham radio dealer didn't really sell Icom radios, so we mostly had another brand. About 12 years ago, I had lunch with Ray Novak. When we got through eating, he walked by my truck, looked in, and noticed that I had two other brands of radios in there, but no Icom. And he asked me, George, do you even own any Icom radios? And I said, no, I don't. I have had one before, but I told him why I really didn't have any now. And it had been years since I'd used an Icom rig. Well, I ended up getting an IC-7000, and boy, let me say, that really changed my opinion. Not that I had any negative opinion of Icom before, but after using that rig and comparing it to the other two brands that I had, there was no comparison. The IC-7000 far outdid the other radios, and since that point, I've been exclusively Icom. With my HF, my dual bands, mobiles, handhelds, Icom always seems to lead the field. Icom radios have become an important part of my ham radio story. Why not write a new chapter in yours?